Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sahrul Nizam bin Abdullah. I'm student from University Utara Malaysia and my matrix number is 276992. Today, I would like to present about derivatives. Question 1 need us to determine whether function is concave upward or concave downward. The first thing we need to do is find the first derivative. So x power of 3 we differentiate, it will be 3x squared, and then negative 6x squared we differentiate, it will be 6 times 2x power of 1, so it will be negative 12x, and then 18x we differentiate, it will be 18 because x power of 1 minus 1, it will be x power of 0. Anything power of 0, it will be 1. So 18 times 1, it will be 18. Negative 15, it will be 0. Next, we find the second derivative. So we're starting with 3x squared. So we differentiate 3x squared, it will be 3 times 2x power of 1. So it will be 3 times 2, so it will be 6x, and then negative 12x we differentiate, it will be negative 12, and then 18 we differentiate, it will be 0. Now set it equal to 0 and we solve 6x minus 12 equal to 0. So we move negative 12 to the right, and then we got 6x equal to 12. 6 we move to the right, it will be 6 equal to 12 divided by 6. So the answer is, the answer is 2. If x smaller than 2, let's say I choose 0. So we use the second derivative equation, which is 6x minus 12, and then we place 0 into the x. We got 6 times 0 minus 12, and then we got the answer is negative 12. Because of negative 12 smaller than 0, thus function concave downward. And then if x larger than 2, let's say I choose 4, so we place 4 into the x, we got 6 times 4 minus 12, and then we got the answer 12. Because of 12 larger than 0, thus function concave upward. This line shows that the test of two regions to the left of x equal 0, and then to the right of x we got 4. So thus function is concave upward on 2 and infinity, and concave downward on negative infinity and 2. So this question needs us to describe the behavior of the marginal cost function. The first thing that we need to do is same like the previous question, which is we need to find the first derivative. So we use the cost function that has been given on this question, and then we do the first derivative. So we start with 0.0001 x power of 3, we differentiate, it will be 0.001 times 3 x power of 2, and then negative 0.003 x squared, we differentiate, it will be 0.003 times 2 x power of 1, and then 5x we differentiate, we got the answer is 5, and then 100 we differentiate, we got 0, and then the final answer, the final equation that for marginal cost function is 0.0003 x squared minus 0.006 x plus 5. This question needs us to describe the behavior of the marginal cost function, whether concave upward or concave downward, and then prove our answer. To find whether the marginal cost function concave upward or concave downward, we must find the second derivative cost function. So we use the first derivative cost function to find the second derivative cost function. So 0.003 x squared we differentiate, it will be 0.0003 times 2x, and then negative 0.006 x we differentiate, it will be negative 0.006, and then 5 we differentiate, it will be 0. So we got the equation for second derivative cost function is 0.0006x minus 0.006. Now set it equal to 0. So the new equation is 0.0006x minus 0.006 equal to 0, and then we move negative 0.006 to the right, and then we got 0.006x equal to 0.006, and then we move 0.0006 to the right, and then we got 0.006 divided by 0.000.0.006. So the final answer for x is equal to 1000. If x smaller than 1000, let's say I choose 100, so we use the second derivative cost function, which is 0.0006x minus 0.006, and then we place 100 into the x. We got 0.0006 times 100 and minus 0.006, and in the final answer we got negative 0.0054. So because of negative 0.0054 smaller than 0, thus cost function concave downward. And then if x larger than 1000, let's say I choose 2000, and then we place 2000 into the x, we got 0.0006 times 2000 minus 0.006, and then the final answer we got is 0.006. So because of 0.006 larger than 0, thus cost function concave upward. The line shows that the test of two regions to the left of x equal to 100, and then to the right, and then the right of x equal to 2000. So the final answer is thus the function is concave upward on 1000 and infinity, and concave downward on negative infinity and 1000. Data for question C is: company has established that the revenue function in Ringgit Malaysia is R equal to 2x power of 3 plus 40x squared plus 8x, and the cost function in Ringgit Malaysia is C equal to 3x power of 3 plus 19x squared plus 8x minus 800. So this question needs us to find the level of production that will yield a maximum profit for the company. How to find maximum profit? Maximum profit we will get when marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. How to find marginal revenue and marginal cost? This question didn't give us the marginal revenue and marginal cost function. Calm down, because this question gave us the revenue function and cost function. With this function we can get the marginal revenue function and marginal cost function. How to do that? How to do that is we do the first derivative. First we start with revenue function. So 2x power of 3, we differentiate, it will be 2 times 3x squared, and then 40x squared, we differentiate, it will be 40 times 2x, and then 8x, we differentiate, it will be x. So we got the marginal revenue function is 6x squared plus 80x plus 8, and then next we do for cost function. So 3x power of 3, we differentiate, it will be 3 times 3x squared, and then 19x squared, we differentiate, it will be 19 times 2x, and then 80x, we differentiate, it will be 80. For negative 800, we differentiate, it will be 0. So the final answer for marginal cost function is 9x squared plus 38x plus 80. So marginal revenue equal to marginal cost is 6x squared plus 80x plus 8 plus, equal to 9x squared plus 38x plus 80. So we move marginal cost, marginal revenue to the right, and then we got 9x squared minus 6x squared plus 38x minus 80x plus 80 minus 8 equal to 0. So we got 3x squared minus 42x plus 72 equal to 0. So we do the calculation, and then we get the final answer for x is x equal to 12 or x equal to 2. How to find profit is profit we will get when revenue minus cost. So we have revenue function is 2x power of 3 plus 40x squared plus 8x, and then for the cost function is 3x power of 3 minus 19x squared minus 80x plus 800, and then we got the final answer for profit is negative x power of 3 plus 21x power of 2 minus 72x plus 800. So next step is if x equal to 12, so we use the profit function and then we place 12 into the x, and then we get negative 12 power of 3 plus 21 times 12 square minus 72 times 12 plus 800, and then we get the final answer is 1232. And then if x equal to 2, so we place 2 into the x, we got negative 2 power 3 power of 3 plus 21 times 2 square minus 72 times 2 plus 800, and then we got the final answer is 732. And then the company, we can conclude that the company will get the highest profit if x equal to 12. Thus, the 12 is the level of production that will yield a maximum profit for the company. This question needs us to find the price per unit to maximize the profit. So we have the revenue formula, which is R function equal to Px. So to find P, we move x to the left, and then we get P equal to Rx, R function divided by x, and then R function we have 2x power of 3 plus 40x power of 2 and 8x divided by x, and this we can simplify to 2x squared plus 40x plus 8. Because of the quantity that maximize the profit is 12, so we can place 12 into x, and then we get 2 times 12 square plus 40 times 12 plus 8, and then we get the answer is 776. So the price per unit to maximize the profit is RM 776. That's all for me, and thank you.